Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. We will meet again, Mr. Kasyadi, in the classroom. In here, I will give you the material of the narrative text. What's the meaning of the narrative text? Narrative text is one of the texts in English. We know that before you study in here SMA 1 Ngoro, you have studied English in junior high school. Apa itu narrative text? Narrative text adalah salah satu jenis teks bahasa Inggris yang bertujuan untuk menceritakan suatu cerita yang memiliki rangkaian peristiwa kronologis yang saling berhubung. It means narrative text is one of the story in your life. Saya yakin di antara kalian sudah pernah membaca apa narrative text itu. What's the meaning, the purpose of narrative text? The purpose of narrative text is to amuse or to entertain to the reader with a story. Artinya narrative text itu tujuannya adalah untuk menghibur baik pembaca maupun pendengarnya. Sehingga dalam hal ini adalah cerita untuk memberikan hiburan. Itu adalah tujuan narrative text. There are many kinds of the narrative text. Ada beberapa jenis narrative text itu sendiri. Yang pertama kita kenal dengan adanya fairy stories, mystery stories, science fiction, romantics, horror, and extra. Artinya ada beberapa jenis narrative text, legenda, dan sebagainya. We know that there are 4 generic structure of narrative text. The first, orientation. The second, complication of the problem. The third, resolution. The fourth, reorientation. We will explain about each item of the generic structure of the narrative text. The first, orientation. Di dalam bahasa Indonesia merupakan pendahuluan. Ini meliputi who, what, where, and when the event is happened. Artinya siapa atau apa, di mana dan kapan terjadinya sesuatu itu. The second, complication of the problem. We know that the narrative text, there is the problem, the form of the story. Artinya setelah adanya pengenalan tokoh, di situ ada semacam masalah yang timbul. Namanya complication atau problem. The third, resolution. Resolution in here, the problem solving of the complication in this character. Penyelesaian masalah dari apa yang kita hadapi. Sehingga kita tidak boleh pusing, tidak boleh putus asa, karena di situ ada masalah, pasti ada resolusinya, ada semacam masalah, kita selesaikannya. Yang keempat, the fourth, reorientation is mean there is value of the narrative text. It is optional. It mean there is optional, is there is or no, it can. Artinya di sini ada atau tidak boleh terjadi di dalam reorientation. Nilai yang terkandung. There is The example of the narrative text, Timun Emas. Long time ago, in the island of Java, Indonesia, lived a couple of farmers in the extra. You can study yourself and analyze of the meaning of this text. Okay, we know that after readings of the text Timun Emas, we can divide of the parts of the text. Orientation a long time ago. Complication. Unfortunately, they hadn't had any children yet. Yeah. Okay. Resolution. Timun Emas kept in the running as fast as they could. Artinya, ada masalah, ada penyelesaian. Reorientation is mean Timun Emas was very relieved. She was safe now. Artinya Timun Emas sangat cerdas, sangat pintar, sangat baik sehingga dia aman, nyaman dan terkendali. Okay, students. Okay, after we learn of studying about narrative text, there is the example of the text and exercise. Please you read it and please you try to it. I believe you can do it the best. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.